Kang diri ta kang ah.
Hey, wait sa ay.
Kuha sa kuwi no. Wow. Wow. You can see guys, this is the guys. We're at different country. As you can see, there's a Spain, Brazil, London. We're here, as you can see the Stoneheads, the bridge, and then the famous statue of Papa Jesus in Brazil. You can see this is of Liberty, Merlion, the tilting tower, all that. We have the Bollywood guys. I'm at the what? I don't know what's this, but it looks like a tower. A windmill, I guess. Oh, it's from Netherlands, the windmills. An example of Dutch culture, there's a tulips na siya. And this is the Genghis Khan from Mongolia. Oh, I know this Genghis Khan is a famous person in Mongolia. Status, different status I guess. What's this? It's from oh, it's a Colosseum from Italy. Yes, it's Colosseum from Italy. You can see this is very basic Colosseum, guys. As you can see, there's a photographer, and there is a, I don't know what's this. What's this? I don't know what's this. But this is a pretty girl now. I heard Mirror of the World. You can see, guys.
Welcome to the Mirror of the World.
Yeah, as you can see the statue, it's very daring. You can see that.
The Liberty of the statue of Liberty.
That is Liberty.
And that is the alarm clock there.
The clock tower of London. Oh. Guys, this is Spartans from Rome. Stoneheads. So beautiful here. Different famous spots in the world in one places. You see, guys, it's very beautiful, clean.
Ay, ang tapuan sa
China, gurning dito China.
Indonesia.
Sa Indonesia. Ano famous entrance na to?
Pero lagi sa Philippines, no?
Kataas pa niya. It's the hand of a Buddha, I guess. The famous, what they call this, famous structure in Cambodia, they call this Gate of Heavens. YouTube famous of Indonesia. Ooh. Archipelago. Archipolis.
Pwede na ka mag-picture in a while, not video.
Okay.
White. Ito ka sa
Anak lang.
Ito lang yung choice.
0.5 na siya. Capture ka ni.
Kana pati o bukas na.
Ang gipis-pislit.
Mana?
Excuse. We're from Greece already. We're at Greece. You can see there's a lot of Spartans. Against the light na.
Against the light po.
Pero kira na eh.
Ano na kita? Economic to.
Tara.
Ano ba kita mo niya ba?
Against the light na kayo.
Against the light? Punta ako na.
Okay, guys.
Picture ko lang. Mapukot ko sa likod niya.
The big Otin wow. This is an old Otin from Greece. What's it?
Ikaw ba naman sa lang kakuan? El, nagarna.
There na.
May picture na ka?
Mana?
Hala na.
Okay. Done. So you can see this is a Russian. I don't know what this, but he's carrying a ship.
What's this? What's this?
Okay, Gika.
Big tin din rin. This one? Yeah. Kilan? Big tin din rin.
Hey, you look pretty day. What's your name? What's your name? Hello, miss.
Hello. Yan.
Uy! Touch daw, touch. Ay! Ano? Ano? Ah! Kalang watchtower eh. Sa pataas, dira bridge. Ang mga Stoneheads. Stoneheads deer. Japanese oh. Ang famous one. Big tower guys, naman kayo diri. Napay gawaan. Masabot ang sa ni siya. Ikaw ka bo kung saan ni. Sabi tawag kanina eh, basta na sa Italy. The Leaning Tower Pisa mo ni siya. Napay ko ano. Statue of Liberty dito, nara dito guys. Statue of Liberty guys. Napay sa may windmill guys, kabantay kung anong sa farm. Ito po, nasa Papa Jesus dito guys, Papa Jesus. Nasa Hollywood. Yeah, Canning Bridge. Yeah, famous Stoneheads. Napay dyan yung nindot. Kabantay ka to, nasa Naruto. Ha? Bantay ka itong nasa Naruto. Sila Sasuke, sila Gaara. Dito. Isa kay. Dito sila Sasuke, sila Gaara. There's Naruto. Nya, kung katong sa may kuan pod. Katong sa Sweden, guro ni Norway, katong naay clock ba? Sa London guro ni. Bantay ka man yung clock sa London. Famous nga clock mo na siya. No, lindot kayo. Ang problema na kiwala yung Merlion. Merlion ba? Ay, murag na agro din yung Merlion. Ay, tara ang Merlion, guys. Kita ka ning Merlion. Mo niya, mga famous guys, Merlion, guys. Excuse niya, miss. Pili ma, istud, miss.
Pwede pa kay sir.
Pwede kayo. Kapantay ka ning Merlion guys. Mujo ni kuan. Nara oh, Merlion. Dari miss ay.
Uy, Sam, wala ka.
Miss ko lang ang Merlion. Pero kita ni Japan. Japan kung ganahan kag koy. Tagang ngay kumakoy diri oh. Ang koy dagkuha sa koy uy. Japanese koy mo ganun tawagan nila. Dagkuha eh. Ito ba ang koy? Dagkuha pero kung ganahan, kung ka mermaid na ra, pwede kong mermaid eh. Unahan. Pero kanina yung pinaka-idol na ako sa tanan. Sila yung Merlion diri. Mermaid nga lion. No? Ganahan ka ba nga Spartan na sa Greece? Sana ba? Na, pwede to Singapore makuan. Spartan.
Mas dako to siya ning ang original.
Mura to yung pinaka-famous sa tanan, no?
Sunod ay ka di ay. 1, 2, 3.
Mura na akong vlog guys. Thank you guys sa pag-like, share, subscribe guys.
Caleb.
So guys, this is Poseidon Neptune. This is Hades Pluto. Artemis. Look. And Ares. Ay, sorry. Ipasa rin nila.
Brian! Dong, Brian! Tanay, layo ka sa daganan dong. Sakit.
Nag-vlog ni.
Sakto dito na vlog. No?